This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by enabling Stage Manager so you can control app grouping quickly. Open Control Center and flip Stage Manager on, or go to System Settings, right arrow Desktop and Dock, and enable it there. Once done, choose whether to show recent apps and whether the desktop should be visible. This affects how apps group. Make sure you have at least 2 active windows to see the layout. Enabling now gets you into the workflow. Next, we'll organize windows into workspaces effectively. Now you'll arrange windows into focused groups to reduce distraction. Drag any window into the left thumbnail strip to form a group. Drop other related apps onto that thumbnail to stack them. Once grouped, switch between groups with a 3-finger swipe or Control plus arrow keys, and use Command Tab to jump apps inside a group. Resize windows normally, or hold Option while dragging edges for finer control. These steps let you keep tasks compartmentalized and speed up context switching without losing windows. Finish by customizing behavior and resolving common hiccups. Open System Settings, right arrow Desktop and Dock to tweak whether recent apps appear and whether your desktop stays visible. These change how crowded the thumbnail strip feels. Remember that full-screen apps act as separate spaces, so combine them deliberately. If windows disappear or groups look wrong, toggle Stage Manager off and on, or restart the affected app to force a layout refresh. That one
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.